this cutie. Don't hate on fish. I have as a test. The sun is here, guys. What? Hey, yo. Love y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elise. Today I wanted to film to you guys a realistic what I do after coming back home from school. Guys, this day at school was so long, like so long, and it wasn't even long, like it wasn't a regular day, but it went by so slowly. I am dead tired plus starving. I already did all of the homework that I have to do, and I don't really have to study anything in particular today. And since I am starving, I will head straight to the kitchen and make food. But I know I have to do some dishes also because I didn't do the dishes this morning, because this morning I had no time to do the dishes. I was eating and all of a sudden I looked at the clock and I was like, damn, girl, you gotta go take the bus. So I'm gonna do it now, and then afterwards I'm gonna make some food. I'm gonna eat. You'll see. I'm gonna take you guys through it. Let's go. Okay, so dishes are done. I'm super happy. It looks so clean now, and I'm just feeling like I have a weight off my chest. And now even better news. It's time to make food. And so this evening I have a fish for me. And guys, I know a lot of people hate on fish, but I love fish. Fish is so good, I swear. It's like the best thing I could ask for with crab and any fruit and vegetable. But you know, I really like fish, so don't hate on fish. I'm gonna make that with some vegetables. Join me in the kitchen. Tasted this yet, but guys, it just smells so incredibly good. Let's try this out. This is divine. Guys, I wish I could make you taste this because this is actually so good. How are you guys doing? Wait, do y'all also love just sitting outside eating and watching the trees, the sun, the grass, the flowers? This just feels so inspiring and so peaceful, and so life is good, you know? What else could you want after school, honestly? What else of an evening could you want? Look, the sun is here. The sun is here, guys. What? Okay, I gotta eat because I'm actually hungry. Now I'm currently on a walk, and I'm walking kind of quickly because I gotta get my dog. Every morning, I walk my dog to my grandparents because they don't live that far away. And then we go get him back, my mom and me, in the evening, like after dinner or before dinner. And I gotta pick him up today before 7 o'clock. And it's currently like 6:30, so I'm walking pretty fast. Guys, I'm out of breath. Does any of the things that I'm saying right now make any sense? Guys, look, there's this really cute cat. What does that mean? Hey, you. Okay, so I've got my dog. He's so cute. Now I'm just on the way home, enjoying the blue sky, enjoying the fresh air, enjoying life. Enjoying life, guys. Enjoying the fact that school is over for the day. I'll see you guys at home. Okay, so I got back home and I did the dishes again. Excuse me. Okay, I know. I promise it's not the only thing that I do, but a girl gotta keep her kitchen clean, you know? And now I am back, I'm here, and I will be reading in my book, Becoming Supernatural. If you haven't heard about this book, it's a book from Joe Dispenza, and he's basically a neuroscientist who teaches people how to change their lives through meditation, through changing your thoughts and all of that good stuff. It's really a person that I think if you want to like level up your life, you should research, because has a lot of information to give. But anyways, I'm gonna be reading, and that's what I do. I actually do that like every single evening. I haven't done it as much during summer holiday, to be honest, and I really missed it. But now, since it's back to routine, back to school, it's reading again. This book is so interesting, but it's kind of complex. So I totally recommend reading it, but I feel like just reading this book is a form of deep focus, concentration, test. Okay, so it is a few moments later, so let me catch you up on the things I've done until now. It is currently 9:04 p.m. and I have done, since reading, my Duolingo. I do that every single day. I have a streak of 266 days. Beat me. Then I hugged my dog. I gave him some love because I feel like I need some of his love and he needs some of mine. Like, I just need to be with him sometimes, you know, and I had that moment. Then I have put on my PJs, prepared my clothes for tomorrow, taken my medicines, like, you know, vitamins and stuff. Well, it's not vitamins, it's like I need to take some pills before going to bed because I have allergies. So I did that. That's, I think, all that I've done till now. And now it's time for doing the little skincare, guys. I am so excited to go to bed. Oh, it will just feel so nice. Look at this cutie pie. I gotta wash my face twice a day, every single day. Like, the people who don't wash their faces morning and evening, they scare me. Like my mom, for example, she doesn't wash her face. She takes like her makeup off and then she's done. Mom, what the f? Like, I can't touch a pillow if my face isn't clean, like clean. I need a clean face. Like guys, it's like the people who go in their beds with clothes that they have been outside in, like, you know, like outside clothes. Like, I would never sit on my bed in jeans. Guys, that is actually one of my phobias. Tell me why just washing your face like that feels so good. I always make such a weird face when I put on eye cream. And every time I look back on the videos where I film myself doing my skincare and I get to the moment where I put on eye cream, I'm like, girl, why do you look so scary right now? Like, can you please stop? Anyways, that's life. That's life. How I love being a girl and doing my skincare most of the time. Because let's be honest, when you're super tired and you're like, ugh, why do I have to do this? And then you're thinking about all the boys that don't give a shit, put nothing on their faces, literally nothing, except for when they're sweating and playing football, and they just use their t-shirt to like take off the sweat off their face. Except for that, they do nothing and have perfect skin. Like, excuse me. Well, I say boys, but I know some girls that are like that too, and I'm like, girl. And then you have that one friend, right, that has one little thing right here that's just like a once in a while. She's like, oh, can you see I'm getting acne? Get out. I wish I was joking right now, but seriously, if you're that kind of girl, get out. Love y'all. Guys, I didn't show you my socks. Look at them. Aren't they cute? And then you've got the PJs. I look so stylish right now. No, but getting back to the main point of this video, I have, as every evening, a little candle lit up, and the sun is clearly set. It's almost dark outside, and yeah, I'm ready to go to bed now. I am very, very happy about how this video turned out, actually, to be honest, right now. It has been good energy. I've loved taking you guys in this afternoon with me, evening with me after school. Anyways, thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you had an amazing time with me. I had an amazing time with you, so thank you very, very much. Remember, the light is always with you. I love y'all so much. Have an amazing night. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing life overall. Love y'all.